When it comes to houses, buildings, and other structures, there are few things that do more to refreshen and enliven appearances than a professionally applied coat of paint. If you're interested in becoming a painter, there are two types of jobs. Construction painters work for contractors erecting new structures. Maintenance painters work for owners of structures already built. Most maintenance painting is indoors. For some painters, this can be year-round work. Construction painting is often outdoors and subject to weather and season. For example, in some parts of the country, there is very little construction painting during the cold winter months. Painters often work on scaffolds or ladders, carrying buckets and brushes with them, so you must be agile and focused. You should also be in good physical condition because this job requires being on your feet for long periods while having to reach and bend. Because painters sometimes work with compounds that emit hazardous fumes, they may need to wear protective gear. They also need to be knowledgeable about health and safety regulations. This work requires knowing how to use equipment like paint sprayers and pressure rollers. It's also expected that you've mastered such skills as paint mixing and matching, as well as color coordination. Most beginners learn on the job as a helper for an experienced worker. There are more formal apprenticeships available. These typically run 2 to 4 years and include classroom instruction. Since painting is a relatively inexpensive way to enhance the appeal of a building, as well as to help protect it from the elements, painters are often in demand.